Today I'm making nacho chicken drumsticks. Things gonna be needing tortilla chips. I have 1 9-ounce tortilla chips. That's my tortilla chips here. 1½ cup shredded sharp cheddar cheese, and that's my cheese. 4 eggs. About 10 pieces of chicken drumsticks, and you'll be needing 1 cup flour, all-purpose flour. Okay, once you have your chips, go ahead and crush your chips. Use your hand. Crush them all together. To crush my chips, I'm also using a pounder here. Okay, now I'm ready to whisk my eggs. Toss your drumsticks one at a time to your flour and mix. Once you got your chicken coated with flour, go ahead and place it in your egg mix and directly then place it right to your chips. Coat it with chips, your crushed chips. And you got your chips all coated. Go ahead and place it in your baking tray and repeat rest of the chicken same way. Okay, while I'm getting my oil ready, I have about 2 cups of oil here to fry my chicken. Okay, while I'm waiting for my oil, I'm going to get my salsa ready. I have sliced jalapeno, slice of avocado, and 1 tomato. I'm ready to fry my chicken. Take 1 chicken at a time, place it in a hot oil until it's nice and golden brown. Trim that chicken. See my chicken coming out really good. Once you notice your chicken is turning nice and golden brown, go ahead and take a piece out and drain well over a paper towel. I'm going to go ahead and sprinkle my chicken with salt and pepper. Once my chicken all deep fried, I'm going to go ahead and take a piece at a time, place it in my baking tray again. Now I'm ready to mix my salsa. I have my chopped tomatoes, my avocado, and my jalapeno. Set your oven to 425. My chicken came out really good. Now I'm going to go ahead and sprinkle my cheese over my chicken. I place my chicken on my baking tray here. Okay, I got sprinkled cheese all over my chicken. Now I'm going to bake for about 15 minutes. Okay, you don't have to cook for 15 minutes. Once your cheese got all melted, you can go ahead and take your chicken out. And my chicken looking really good, so I'm going to go ahead and add my salsa on top of my chicken. I got tomatoes, jalapeno peppers, and cilantro, a little bit of cilantro to garnish on my chicken here. And here we go, we have nacho chicken drumstick. I'm going to go ahead and garnish a little bit with cilantro here. Just a little bit. Okay, thank you very much for watching.